Hello, I'm going to demo my CoroVi application. So as you can see, I have 3 pages: home, self-assessment, and account. So all my API are from Corona, LMAO, Ninja. So I will go quickly to the transition of my design. At first it looks like this, but I didn't like it, so I turned it into this one, which is the one that we have right now. As you can see, I have enter country entry in here. So let's try and type Canada, and I click enter, and then it has the values from Canada API. So these are all the total cases from when Corona started, and this is the new cases for today. So I'm gonna try and type Canada wrong spelling, and it tells me that the country name is bad, so make another country name, much better country name. Type India, so I have India in here. And the reason why I did that is because even when I have all the list of all the countries in the world, I still need to scroll down, and I don't want to spend my time scrolling a lot. So let's try Japan and see if the numbers are same. So as you can see, Japan has the same total cases recovered, and the deaths, they're all the same. So by searching here, you can quickly find more details and more quickly. And then later on, I have a self-care page. I designed it the first this way, but I didn't like it, so I turned it this way, and I have it in the phone now. This one is in Adobe XD, where I designed my application, and this one I made in Adobe XD too. I exported it inside my phone application, and now that's why it's in there. So if you click the start self-assessment, it will show you series of questions. So let's do that right now. Okay, so when we try to fill this form out, we're going to save the results in our SQLite database. So let's try and make the first 3 yes. So we're going to submit the form. It says, oh no, you might be positive, so take a swab test maybe. So we say okay, so we go to our account, and as you can see, we see our assessment taken just now. And as you can see, my time, that's different time. Oh no, it's the same. It's 20:54, so it's the same time. So let's say I am going to check the details of the test that we took inside our SQLite. So as you can remember, we've checked the first 3, and I guess it is found here. This is my first logo design. I didn't like it. I changed it to this one. Okay. So yes. So the first 3 was yeses, and the rest are no. So let's try and update our database, the one that we just took right now. So let's say the first one will be yes, the second 2 will be set to reset, and now I am extremely tired and I have muscle aches. So first at the top, and then the last 2. So let me submit my form, and then as you can see, the time changed. That is now the time we have right now, and that's good. So let's see if the update we did is updated, if it updated our SQLite. As you can see, the first one is yes, so it's red color, and then the last 2 is again red color because we said yes to the last ones, and then the middle ones remain. So let's go back and delete the test we have right now, and also the test we have a while ago. I did a simple test a while ago. Let's go to self-care, and go back to account again and see if it's really gone. So now it's gone because we removed it from our database. So this is my entire app. So let's quickly go to the app requirements in here. The project must have 3 pages. So I have in here my 3 major pages: home, the self-care, and the account, and also the assessment details. When you click details, it will go and go to another page, and then it will show you the oh yeah, this one happens because I think low memory. All I have to do is open it again. Okay, right here. So this is the another page, and I also have another page in here. It's assessment manager, where we go to the self-care and we click start, and then all this one is inside my assessment manager. So as you can see, if we click submit form, let's find that button right here. So I have a button right here. So if I submit it, my entire class will add a new database information. So the date taken will be now. As you can see, the dates during our in here details. No. In here it shows the time when we did it. Okay, this was the one I did before. Let's actually add a new one right now. All with no submit form. Good job, I am COVID free. Yay. So you can check the date again. Same date. So if I click details, and all of the data of the details are found in here, and it's sent to our database. So let's see. One page at least must be designed with relative page. So I did that in my self-care page, where I have a relative layout and everything. Okay, let me show you what the self-care page looks like. This entire page is relies on a relative layout, where I'm using relative objects. So as you can see, I have X and Y constraint, width constraint, height constraint, all from relative. So I am able to do that. And then the third one, you have to use UI components learned in the class, like list view or table view, and binding concepts. So let me take you to my home XAML, where I have used the grid. I like grids so much, they are very useful and so easy. Okay, and then in here, for this list in here, I added a list view with a view cell, and then everything is here. So as you can see, I have a Yummy Pancake in there. Yummy Pancake is a library that I found for Xamarin. I added it in my application to make it look so nice. As you can see, all the corners in there, it's pleasing to my eyes, and I like it. So binding concepts, I also use binding concepts in here. Binded the deaths, I received the deaths, the recovered, and the total cases. Everything is right there. And I also use the string format, so 0 and 0 means that it has a comma, so you can immediately see if it's in a thousands place, 100 place, or a million page. So we can just quickly see here that it's already 88 million recovered. That's easy. And I also use this kind of binding code, and where I read from the reference here, and then set it to a past text. I take the text, and then the same format right here, the plus sign. Okay, the plus. That's why there's a plus right here. Plus and then a number. So each day there is today there's 493 new cases. And let's see what we have here. You have to. Oh, I also actually want to show how I did the coloring of. So if it's if I take you to the details. So if it's a yes, you have a cuff, it's going to make it red. Is because of if statements. So the default color are this color, and then I assign them to new colors, and then if we go to Xamo, I binded it with a background color. So that's so nice because we were taught how to bind in text, but now I bind it in background using this, and it is so fun. So that is nice. Let's see. You have to consume a web service of your choice. So if I'll take you to my home page again, you can see here the link I have. Okay, I have all where it reads global values, and I have countries where it will show you the search result if you type in Japan or Canada. So it will be countries slash. So if we just do this, find, it's right here. So that link plus Japan, then it will be sent to our client, and then find the HTTP status code, and then we serialize the JSON, and then put it set it on our XAML so we can display the values. So that is amazing. This is where all the functions for my SQLite. Okay, I'm gonna talk about the SQLite. Okay. Alright. Now we're gonna talk about the local SQLite. So this is my assessment class where all the data are stored. So as you can see, if boolean question 7 is true, then it will return you have decreased or lost your smell or taste, and that is all found here. That's why it says you have or you don't, and you can quickly identify them through the colors that I set in there. So that's cool. And then all of the functions are right here, and actually I'm able to do this amazing tab page is because I turned the home page into a tab page with a navigation, with a no navigation bar, because I didn't need a navigation bar because I have a tab page already. And then I have the 3 major page I have in here, and this is my demo. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.